Ito yung first batch na mga manok namin. So, every day, pinapalabas ko sila at least mga 1 hour or more. Depende yung ilan yung bakante kong oras. I would let them free range for a bit. Yan. So, they could forage. Dahil di din kasi sila magkasundo nung second batch na binili namin. Pag pumasok na sila sa loob ng chicken coop, yung mga maliliit pa na chicks, magsisitakbuhan. Dahil yung mga malalaki na namin na hens, they're kind of bully. They would bully these small chicks. Yan sila. So yan yung isa sa mga downside ng if you get chickens not all at the same time. Yung mga nauna, yung mga malalaki na, binubuli yung mga maliliit pa. Yan sila oh. So, pagpasok ng mga malalaking hens, magsisitakbuhan na yan, doon, pabalik sa box. Diyan sila, ano ba yan? Diyan sila sa box na yan muna natutulog. Yung mga malalaki na, dito sila sa, dito, diyan. May sarili silang tulugan. Oh, wait, no. Here, I'll give you treats. Hindi makapaghintay yung isang tuo. Here, no. Did you go what? No more. Okay, it's getting late. Oops, it's getting late. Time to get in. Okay, I can get in now. Here. Go. Here, time to get in. Hey, get inside now. Oh, see? Yan yung nangyayari. Pag andyan na sila sa loob, yung malalaking hens, then the chicks are going inside on the box. So they're still adjusting. But hopefully, pag medyo magkapareho na sila ng size, the small chicks won't be too afraid na sana. So they could get along well inside the coop. There they are. The bullies. Mean girls.